This is the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today.
The government's effort to have the states of emergency it declared for 7 parishes on November 15, extended until January 14, 2023, was refused by opposition leader Mark Golding on Tuesday night in the House of Representatives. While he had already left by the time the vote was taken, Golding had stated that he would not support the emergency measure, arguing that they were unconstitutional. Golding also pointed to issues with the regulations governing the SOEs and the tribunal to monitor their operation. In the end, 44 government members with their superior majority voted yes to approve the motion. A 26-year-old construction worker was on Tuesday charged with raping his 4-year-old neighbor in Westmoreland. He has been identified as Delano Jarrett, otherwise called Dulo, from the parish. Reports from the police are that the child was left at Jarrett's mother's house. During her absence, it is alleged that Jarrett sexually abused the child. Dancehall superstar Beenie Man reportedly injured his ankle when a taxi collided with a motorbike he had been riding in the corporate area on Monday. A source close to the DJ said that he suffered injuries to his lower leg and was briefly hospitalized, but has since been released. And in World Cup news, Japan stunned Germany 2-1 in their World Cup opener on Wednesday, punishing the 4-time champions for not taking their chances after they dominated the first half. The German team covered their mouths for the team photo before the match in a powerful protest against FIFA's decision to ban rainbow-themed armbands. They took the lead through a first-half penalty and should have been out of sight after creating a host of chances. But Japan hung on and equalized in the 75th minute. Takuma Asano then completed a remarkable turnaround 8 minutes later, smashing the ball home to send the boisterous Japan fans wild. Germany's World Cup future is now on the line, with games to come in Group E against Spain and Costa Rica. Spain's young squad got off to a high-scoring start at the World Cup, gutting Costa Rica 7-0 on Wednesday. It was the first time Spain scored 7 goals in a World Cup match. Spain, which didn't get past the round of 16 in Russia, is trying to break through with a major title after making it to the final of the Nations League and the semi-finals of last year's European Championship. This year, the team also qualified for the Final Four of the Nations League for a second straight time. Spain's last major triumph came at Euro 2012, 2 years after it won its lone World Cup title in South Africa. Only 5 countries have scored more goals than Spain at the World Cup: Brazil, Germany, Argentina, Italy, and France.
That has been the ORAP. Check out these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.